Before use, wipe the mat and control panel clean. Place bowls, plates, or pots on the heating area, making sure the bottoms are clean and dry. After plugging in, the mat will beep once and then turn off. Press the power button to begin heating. The machine will automatically switch to the default temperature setting of 212 Fahrenheit. Press the temperature button to cycle through the three available settings: 140 Fahrenheit, 176 Fahrenheit, and 212 Fahrenheit. The corresponding indicator light will illuminate. Press the power button again to turn the mat off. Unplug and allow the mat to cool completely before storing. Roll up the mat and secure it with the included storage strap. Clean the mat surface with a soft, damp cloth, then let it air dry. Important notes: do not place flammable items such as paper, fabric, etc. on the silicone surface to avoid fire or safety risks. Always place food in containers before heating. Do not place food directly on the mat. Do not place sealed cans, vacuum-packed items, or similar containers on the mat to avoid explosion.